Hampshire Sheen, fanatical about finishing, 2-minute tutorial series. Embellishing waxes. Step 1. Sand your work. We recommend a minimum of 400 grit, but you can go finer if you wish to. Wipe away the dust between the grits. Step 2. Use some methylated spirits or a liming brush to clean the grain as much as possible. For best results, use compressed air if available. Step 3. If desired, apply some colour to the piece. For this example, we are using Ruby, Earth and Black from the Intrinsic Colour Collection. Step 4. With the lathe stationary, apply a single coat of sealer. Here we are using our own cellulose sealer on this piece of ash. Step 5. When the sealer is dry and with the lathe stationary, liberally apply the embellishing wax with a paper towel and work it deeply into the grain. Here we are using the gold embellishing wax as it looks superb over our chosen colours. You do not need to use applied colours, but if you wish, the waxes can be applied over bare wood. The embellishing waxes are specifically for use on open grain woods like ash or closed grain woods that have had texture added. Ensure all of the wood grain or texture is filled with embellishing wax. Step 6. Buff the piece enough to leave just the wax in the grain or texture. It will buff up to a nice shine. Remember that you are polishing it rather than burnishing it. If you wish to apply a protective overcoat, we recommend our microcrystalline wax. Step 7. Stand back and admire your embellished work.